Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy solution to a problem you may not have realized yet. But how many times have you opened up the tailgate and stuff's fallen out at your feet? I've got a quick solution that I thought of the other day, and it may just work. Come and check it out. I'm going to use these D-ring tie downs from GPCA. Remove the 8mm bolt from the quick release handle on the right hand side of the trunk. Install one of the D-rings and put the bolt back in the hole. And then do the same thing on the driver's side. Add the D-ring, insert the bolt, and tighten it back down. I then clipped on an envelope-style cargo net. There you go, a cargo net install that adds extra storage and should also stop things from rolling out the back of the trunk. Well, as you can see, that's going to work out. The net's held securely in place with those new fasteners. It's an envelope style net, so it gives me a little bit of extra storage in there. Hopefully it's going to stop all the stuff that's in the trunk falling out onto my feet as I open the tailgate. I'll put links to all the products in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.